Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I came with a small idea which results in great. It is improving communication skills in kids. So it is very important and all the parents wants this in their kids to improve their communication skills. So today I am going to give an idea about to improve communication skills, and for teachers also it is very useful to improve spoken English and communication skills and also vocabulary in kids. So a small activity and which was very interesting activity and kids can do happily, joyfully. So let's start the activity process. What I thought for the this game to improve communication skills. So first of all, take a paper, a white paper like this, a white paper, and tear them or cut them into pieces, equal parts, small equal parts, that we play the game chitties. Like chitties, you cut them in equal parts like this. So I have cut and already prepared for this game. So what you have to do is select some activities that kids should open their mouth freely, happy. Actually, mostly kids are talkative. So always they want to talk, or they want to share their feelings. They want to. Actually, we only don't have time to listen to them. So here is one small activity which improves their communication skills. In home they can play easily, and in school also they can play. Parents can conduct or teachers can conduct easily. So what you have to do is take a paper, A4 sheet paper, and cut them into small pieces, equal parts, that we play for chitties, like that game. So after then before that you just write some topics what the kids want to talk generally, by imaginating, like the tour, saying about the tour what they have went previously, and talking about their favorite teacher, and next some other, like some activities, like say two new words and meanings, and talk about yourself, then talk about your friend, then talk to me in English continuously 2 minutes, like that. Different types of activities, you just make them into a paper. Arrange at least 10 activities which the students wants to express their feelings, like who is your favorite person and why. Okay, what is your favorite food and why. So ask them to talk in English only, not in Telugu. So they will try. So you, in between, you give words to them, you help them by using their words. They can make sentences and they can talk easily. Who cannot talk at least 2-3 words in English, let them talk in Telugu, no problem. Here they need to communicate with others, that is very important. After talking in Telugu, you slowly say to them, this we will say in English like this, and this we will say in English this word like this. You explain them, they can understand easily, and they can, afterwards they can also use the sentences in English. So here some chitties I have prepared, and make them into groups. If one member they are unable to talk in English, or they are fearing, make them into two groups, or single persons, no problem. If 4-5 members are there, you can play this game. So make like this chitties, and write in the chitty one activity. So see, I wrote here, say, actually this is selfie, you cannot say about your happy moment, that I wrote in this cheat. And one more cheat that I wrote, మీటింగ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ సో మెనీ డేస్. సో చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత మీ ఫ్రెండ్ని మీట్ అయ్యారు, ఏం మాట్లాడతారు? సో ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓన్లీ. ట్రై దెమ్, సే టు దెమ్ టు ట్రై. they will try, because the topics are very interesting for them and they want to share with friends and they feel very proud about them, about others. So say about your favorite teacher. So like these 10 activities you prepare before writing in this, which the kids wants to share happily. Like that you make some activities and write them in chitties and fold like this small pieces, and then you mix them well and say to them to select one chit, and what they selected, what came in the chit, they have to perform that. So it is very easy and interesting, they can easily say and they are very happy for this. They show interest for further activities also to mingle. So from this activity what we inculcate in kids is we can improve spoken English slowly, and they can know new words, Telugu words what we say in English, simple words, and also దే కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ మోర్ దెన్ ఆల్ దీస్. వీటన్నిటికంటే కూడా వాళ్ళు కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారు చాలా ఈజీగా. కొంతమంది మింగిల్ అవ్వరు పిల్లలు ఫ్రెండ్స్తో, బయట వాళ్ళతో, దే కెనాట్ మింగిల్, దే కెనాట్ టాక్ టు యూ. సో దిస్ యాక్టివిటీ మేక్ దెమ్ టు టాక్ freely. So this is very important in kids and many parents wants this from their kids. So do this activity and make their studies easy and happy. With this happily they can talk in English freely, they can talk in English. So like these activities are many are there. So for more activities subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.